Chatwoot is an open source customer support tool. It is also the best in class customer support tool because it is completely free, open source, and it provides enterprise level functionality. So it includes feature like real time reporting, live chats, automatic agent, automatic agent assignment, chatbots, and share inboxes, and provide powerful web API and webhooks, along with the can responses where you can write your long long messages into a simple snippet of. You can simply just like a variable in programming language, you can store a long bit of string inside a single value. So yeah, can responses, अनि त्यसपछि conversation continuity and conversation levels and much more features. So Chatwoot is also quite simple to use. It is almost very simple to use. You can simply just by click of a button, just by dragging and dropping and simply clicking few buttons, you may be able to integrate the entire Chatwoot into your web application. So Chatwoot was created in 2016. So the main business failure led to the closure of the operation in 2017, and they opted to the open sourcing the entire code during the 2019 hackathon or Hacktoberfest, rather than letting it languish in their private code repository. So it came to a very nice surprise that when Chatwoot became a very popular project in the Hacker News. So it appears that the failed project initiative or the failed initiative has now resurrected with very outstanding and promising results. So the main characteristics of Chatwoot. So Chatwoot provides a unified pictures of conversation taking place across the many communication channels such as email, website, and it provides API and various other social media integration or social media platform integration. And some of the main key feature is real-time reports. So real-time report is very crucial and necessary tool for any businesses, because no matter how big the size of the industry or the business is, they allow for the tracking and analysis and performance and overall health, as well as the identification of the user, identification of the areas or the demography of the area they are currently using from. So real-time reporting is included inside the Chatwoot. So discussion, messages, and reaction time can be recorded and analyzed in the real-time scenario. So yeah, live chat feature, you can chat with the customer, consumer, and in the real time. So yeah, that's the another feature. And you have shared inboxes feature. So say Chatwoot provide help to communicate with your customers and team members from a single location with very ease. So yeah, Chatwoot also provide private notes. So inter-team communication is available by using private notes in the chat, which you can tag to convey important information, resolve issue, and address any concern internally. Like a private note means private messages to the internal team, so you can fix any issue that arrives. And another thing, it provides powerful API and webhooks. So information about what is happening in the account is available in the real time via webhooks. So communication of various events between programs such as Slack and GitHub can also be accomplished um, using webhooks. Um, and currently, I think Chatwoot is directly integrated into the Slack. Uh, so it is possible to manage Slack discussion without ever having to leave the website itself, or whether having to leave the dashboard of the app itself. So yeah, canned responses, I explained it earlier. So the typing the entire responses might be very exhausting at certain times. So Chatbot accounts this problem by providing a prefabricated messages, um, prefabricated messages and short responses, which greatly simplifies the experience of using it. And chatbot, it provides chatbot functionality and feature. It has its own chatbot feature which come along with the built-in integration with Rasa. So Rasa means open source conversational API AI, and Rasa and Diagflow. So Diagflow is an closed source. It's not an open source. Diagflow is a closed source conversational AI built and owned by Google. So yeah, that is chat. And another thing, it supports multi-language. Uh, so Chatbot currently supports around, I think, 20 different languages. Let's install React application. And npx, no npx, npm start. You can check your build script, start script, test script, exec script. So let's use our Control Shift P, your browser preview. If you don't have browser preview, you can install. This is just an extension. And let's head over to localhost. So why am I using this? It's because I don't have to leave the VS Code, and I'm not so I don't have to switch my tab and use it on a separate browser. So I can use this inside my React application, inside my VS Code. I can view my website inside the VS Code using this extension called browser preview. So yeah. I'll walk you through from the basic stuff of creating Chatwoot account. So let's say chat. Let's give a name of my name. Let's, this is my name. Aviyel.com. Account name. Let's give the same name. Create one inbox. So go to the inbox. So Chatwoot provides a conversation where you can track the entire conversation of the user and the contacts, where you can import your contacts or add a contacts, and this is the real-time analytics. So you can view the conversation, you can view the graph of the incoming messages, outgoing messages, response time, and you can evaluate from that. This is the report section. To that you can create a campaign using Chatwoot, and it also provides setting option. You can add agents. Adding agent means adding another user for so that you can. So if you are busy, that specific agent can do the tasks for you. So yeah. Create an inbox. So for this session, we will be integrating our Chatwoot only in website. So there are various functionalities that I've previously explained you about. You can integrate into the social media platform. You have your Chatwoot gives own REST API, so you can easily integrate it. And so yeah, copy the script. So this is. So I will delete this. Delete this inbox. So you can use this if you are integrating live. So I will be deleting this eventually. So head over to the public folder. So yeah, after copying this, or simply copy it, go to the public index file, and below the body, or inside the body, you can simply paste it. You have Chatwoot ready. So let's start the conversation. Hello. So you can hello there from the you'll get notified. So yeah, hello there. Uh, how may I help you? So yeah, how may I help you? Nothing much. Just checking. And what is that? Nothing much, just checking in. So yeah, so you can add another agent, and that another agent, if that particular issues or something like this, some issues that is not particularly in your field, you can add another agent and assign that this specific ticket to another user. So yeah, you can assign team, you can create team, you can add level, whether it is a bug or any issues. So yeah, you can add node, but that specific user cannot view. So only if you add an agent, that guy or that specific human being can only view this private nodes. And also I've forgot to mention about can responses. So let's add some can responses. So GG. Let's see. So HM I H. So how may I help you? Submit. So this is the canned response. So let's try this. Let's refresh this page. Let's open it again. Start in conversation. Hello, there is a bug. So yeah, so after that you can type simply backslash and HMIHY. So yeah, and send. So you don't have to type the entire message. So this is canned responses. So yeah. And let's build out. I think we should first fix our image and only deploy it. No PG. Who was that guy? Was desktop, Chatwoot demo site, SRC, images, Chatwoot. Download, SRC, images, Chatwoot, save, yes, done. Yeah, close that. This is but the page is not running and we will start. And that goes. The React script is starting. So let's wait for 5 seconds. Let's close this. Refresh it. It is working, but yeah, I think it is working. Alright, let's use some Google fonts as well. these two opens. Let's choose one style. This one, import it. Let's import this, copy it, open our index CSS, import our font, copy our primary theme, copy our body, paste it, it is outside. So yeah, okay. It is outside. So yeah, okay. Looks good. Now let's deploy this application to our Netlify. So npm here you have successfully build your project, and always remember to hide this inside your Node.env. So yeah, so this is not wise. Chatwoot build. We'll simply go to this side and drag our build project and drop out the project. So yeah, we have successfully deployed. Now let's rename our site to what we give to what was this site name? Chatwoot demo Aviyel. Save it, and yeah, it is live.